installing the FastLab Maverick R reverse light. So you start by taking off the stock reflectors with a screwdriver or pry bar. You just pry them up. So then you grab the template and you line it up in the spot and you mark your holes. And then you outline where you need to cut. Next, we're going to use a 3/16 drill bit to drill out the 3 holes that we marked here. So we're going to use a heat gun and a razor blade to cut out the rectangle. This one. All right. On the driver's side, you're gonna have to remove this clip and trim this plastic out of the way. Now we're going to bolt in the flush mount light bracket. And we're going to use a T20 and 9mm wrench to tighten these up. So now all that's left is to connect your wires and run them to whatever switch you would like to use, and that is it for this install.